Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, Forge Motorsport intake carbon fiber on the Suzuki Jimny. So yet again, another delivery from Jimny Style. I've been totally robbing these guys. Life of Smokey, YouTube, and box says fragile. I'm not really sure, there is not really any fragile parts. Yet again, I'm really sorry that I'm not smooth unboxing this. I already opened it up because, well, I wanted to see it. So pretty sure this is going to be straightforward. You get download your instructions. We got some paperwork going on right here. Rubbery tubes. A big black rubbery tube. Squared hooky thingy. Cardboard, more cardboard. We got the braces, a brace over here. We got some nuts, we got some bolts, looking decent. The carbon fiber intake. Now, isn't that a beauty? Oh yeah. Really like carbon fiber, really like Forge Motorsport. Used to have a lot of stuff of them on my Hondas. It's a good brand, decent brand. Not too pricey, but good stuff. And there we go, got everything pretty decently organized. And oh, let's read some instructions. On installing your intercooler radiator, be sure that all hose clamps and fittings are tightened to prevent any leakage. Ensure that the intercooler radio I really don't like instruction books and papers and things like that. There is a QR code. Gonna scan that one, see what that one does. So now it says to locate the number on the box. Now, I can't really remember what I've done over there, but I think I tore something off that I needed to have. Because, well, on top of this box, there's no number. There's no number at the bottom or the side, so I do not have a number to find the instructions. I forgot a pretty big part. Was gonna start it up so you can hear the difference. Oopsie. And now let's start working. And I'm going through the instructions right now, and it says that the hose clamp holding the turbo intake pipe also needs to be slackened off. The turbo intake. Last time I checked, my Suzuki Jimny did not have a turbo. Just yet. Maybe in the future. The next thing we have to do is get this one off. So there's a little another tensioner in the back. You gotta get that one off. And this one, we can just yank it out, as well as the one in the bottom. So that's the little rubber hose removed. Let's put in the Forge one. Now it tells me to attach this bracket to the air filter itself with a Phillips screwdriver. I do not have a Phillips screwdriver, I only have a Craftwell. So pick up the anti-vibration bush, that rubber thingy over here, with the small thread goes to the outside and the longer thread goes to the inside. And then just put the bracket on there, a bolt to that one and a bolt to that one. Just tighten it up. Not too strong, just tighten it up pretty softly. So yeah, leave this a little bit on the loose side, so don't tighten it up just yet. And the one in the back over there, don't tighten it up as well. So you can still turn this, it's not that tight, you can move this one a little bit. So you can still turn that one when you put this one on and everything folds into place better. These are by far one of the best wrenches ever made. Like one of those, you can. And then of course, when everything fits perfectly, we tighten it all up. 2 bolts, 2 washers, and a big tube left. Pretty straightforward. I do like wrenching. And this sound for me is just so satisfying. Only one thing to do, looking decent, but let's start it up and let's see if you can hear a difference. And there you have it. Hope you really liked this sound and this explanation video. Next up, probably going to do the wheels. And that one is going to look very dope. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Peace. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.